Hi and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your #1 store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you have a product that you think belongs in our store, get in touch. info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Shuttergrip. The Shuttergrip is an ingenious grab-and-go camera control for your smartphone. Comes in black, rose, pink, and blue, navy. We are going to concentrate on the black one. Here we go. My first time unboxing, so this is exciting. Tack pen. All right, let's see if I need this again. There we go. Oh, and there it is. That's the Shuttergrip. Let's see what else is in here. Have fun, say cheese. Cute. Little buffer. And still in the box is, oh, this actually opens, I just realized, to show, I think, some more directions. Yep. A little bit more of a guide and some troubleshooting if you need. And let's see, here comes an included little strap for your wrist and a warranty card and the battery. So the Shuttergrip, basically, you put it on your iPhone. Let's try it out. Actually, you can put it on lots of different phones. It fits on many, many different phones. So what you do is you connect it like this. And like I said, it fits with lots of different smartphones because it adjusts the size. And it squeezes onto your phone and gives you this ergonomic grip for your iPhone. And you connect it via Bluetooth. It has a couple of other features. Here it has tripod access. This piece here actually comes off, slides off to become a remote. So you can have your phone there taking a picture, and you can actually use the remote from in your other hand from far away and take pictures that way. So very useful little device, for good present for any photographer lovers out there, selfie lovers, and a really cute, neat little device. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what color you'd take it in. Love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. My name is Natalie, and I hope to see you online soon at wiplabs.com.